નમસ્કાર વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, તમારું હાર્દિક સ્વાગત છે પેશન એજ્યુકેશનમાં. આજે આપણે ધોરણ 9 ઇંગ્લિશ વિષયમાં વિકાસલક્ષી પરીક્ષા અસાઇનમેન્ટ જે આવેલું છે એમાં સેક્શન બી ક્વેશ્ચન 4 ક્વેશ્ચન આન્સરનું સંપૂર્ણ સોલ્યુશન મેળવીશું. તો ક્વેશ્ચન 4 છે એમાં તમને પેરેગ્રાફ આપેલો છે, એ પેરેગ્રાફ પરથી તમારે સવાલના જવાબ આપવાના છે. તો અહીંયા તમને એક પેરેગ્રાફ આપેલો છે યુનિટ 14નો, એના ક્વેશ્ચન આન્સર જોઈએ. Who won the Kabaddi? Green Park School won the Kabaddi tournament. Who was captain of Green Park team? The captain of Green Park team was Bunty. ત્રીજો સવાલ, what happened at the time of receiving the trophy? આન્સર આવશે, while receiving the trophy it slipped out of Bunty's hand and fell near the chief guest's toy, breaking the stand. Fourth question, what was there inside the stand? Answer આવશે, inside the stand there was a paper curtain called Adios will gives the playground to the school. ત્યાર પછી યુનિટ 16નો પેરેગ્રાફ અહીંયા આપેલો છે, એના ક્વેશ્ચન આન્સર. Who was Bozo? Bozo was a dog. Which place was reserved for Bozo? A corner in the grass was reserved for Bozo. Third, what shows that the master was not happy? The master was walking from corner to corner, indicating he was not happy. Fourth question, what did Bozo do that they never did before? Answer આવશે, Bozo jumped out a dusty shelf and pushed down a dirty packet. ત્યાર પછી યુનિટ 17, why was Machu in flood? The Machu was in flood due to heavy rain. What were the boys doing? The boys were boating at a check dam near Surendranagar and having fun. What did the boy not realize? The boy did not realize that we were sailing into deep water. Fourth question, what did Pratap do? Answer આવશે, Pratap Kachar jumped into the water and refused being a poor swimming, saved 3 boys by bringing them safety out. ત્યાર પછી, what did the leopard do? Leopard entered Rumas Devi's house and attacked the dog sleeping in the corner. Second, who runs to save dog? Subhash, Rukma Dev's elder son, run to save the dog. What did Harish do? Harish pushed Subhash into the house, picked up the dog and locked himself inside the toilet to protect himself from leopard. What did leopard do to Harish? The leopard attacked Harish and tore his shirt. ત્યાર પછી યુનિટ 18, what is function of woolen cloth? Woolen cloth trap the natural heat, protect by the body, preventing from scraping and keeping us warm. Second, why do we wear dark color cloth in winter? Dark color cloth absorb heat quickly and keep us warm, which is why they are preferred in winter. Third, why does bread taste sweet? Bread tastes sweet because lava contains an enzyme that converts starch in the bread into sugar during chewing. What happens when you bite a silk of bread? Saliva flow into the mouth and front sharp teeth cut the bread, while the back flat teeth grind it. Over time, the starch in the bread is converted into sugar, making it tasty and sweet. ત્યાર પછી એ જ રીતે તમને આગળના બધા જ પેરેગ્રાફના સવાલ જવાબ આપેલા છે. થેન્ક યુ ફોર વોચિંગ. જો તમને મારો વિડીયો પસંદ આવે તો મારી ચેનલને જરૂરથી લાઈક, સબસ્ક્રાઈબ અને કોમેન્ટ કરી આપજો.